Well, hello there. It's Friday again. If you're seeing my face, you probably know that it's Friday because this is the day that is video day for me. Or maybe it's even Saturday because sometimes I know I post them very, very late. But anyway, January has been hair care month for our featured ingredients. And this week's featured ingredient is a product from our partner Supplier out of Brazil. And the material is called AlphaImprove 4D Hair. It is derived from bisabolol, babasu oil, and prakashi oil, all great ingredients that have amazing hair care benefits. And in this particular case, the data that Supplier has run on this particular product shows that it is a great material for post-styling products or even in-styling products because it helps to repair the hair from kind of the inside out. It provides thermo protection, frizz reduction, moisturization. So it's a really great all-around great ingredient, again, for styling products in particular, or even post-styling products or pre-styling products, especially with the thermo protection that it provides. So if you'd like to get more information, please reach out to us. We'd be happy to give you some formulation ideas or get you a sample. So I'll see you again next week. And for now, have a great weekend.